Hello there, welcome to the Barnfind booth at ISE 2026. One of the products we're showing this year is the BarnDr, which is an all-in-one fibre test set aimed at the outside broadcast industry, but also conference centres and stadiums where lots of fibres get repatched and tested regularly. The basic unit has fibre testing and a microscope built in, but we have optional modules for optical con duo, optical con quad. MTP is on its way, and we also have SMPTE camera fibre, very applicable in the broadcast industry. The first test we can look at now is the microscope, which allows us to inspect the end of fibre optic patch cords. And you can see this one's very dirty, and so the technician would have to go and get his cleaner and sort that one out. The next test we can show you is the same idea. It's a microscope that allows us to look into both SFPs and patch panels. This one is clean, and so we wouldn't have to go and get the cleaner for the patch panel. In addition to the two microscopes, we also have the LC fibre tester, which allows us to do basic fibre testing of patch cords. And with an additional portable unit, the technician can go around the stadium, around the conference centre, testing each port as they go. Optical Con Duo is the other module we have installed in this unit, and this allows us to do full testing for both signal crossover, but also for level settings as well. Unfortunately, we can't show you the SMPTE software because that's not available yet, but it will be soon. But it allows the broadcast technician to test his SMPTE camera cables, and in the case of our unit, it does both optical and copper paths, and we can also plug into a live CCU that doesn't damage the unit by the voltage that's being sent to the camera. And so the BarnDr is a very complete test set to go on the tailboard of an outside broadcast truck or in the comms room of a big conference centre where fibres are often being patched, but they need to be maintained for cleanliness and operational efficiency. If you need to know any more, go to barnfind.no and you can get all the details there as well as a sales contact. Thank you very much.